Bozeman, Montana. Just arrived today after a pretty chaotic layover in Atlanta that involved a tornadic thunderstorm. So pretty long and exhausting day, but above all, really hungry right now. So let's check out the Montana Ale Works. I've heard that this place was really good, one of the best places to eat in Bozeman, Montana. So I figured for my first time ever in Montana, my first time ever in the Intermountain West region of the United States in general, that I would treat myself to something really nice for dinner. So Montana Ale Works doesn't look like, and certainly doesn't smell like from out here, like it's going to disappoint. So just hit the QR code here. Open. And there we go. There's the menu. So what we got here, so this here is a Siren Song honey bride. And there it is right there. So let's have a sip.
Oh, right there, I'm sorry.
Not bad. I was told that the rye and the honey would kind of balance each other out with this, and I'm definitely getting that with this one, so not bad. And all the beers here, there's a lot of craft beers, ales, and also pilsners and other things, but they're all from Montana breweries. So if you're into trying local beer whenever you travel somewhere, and you're into trying local beer when you're here in Montana, maybe you've heard that Montana beers were really good, well, this would definitely be a place to do that. There's a lot of variety here of local beers. So what can I say? That was really freaking good. So get the elk burger if you come to the Montana Ale House. So now I'm just waiting to download this mobile payment app here, which is taking forever, but that's what I'm waiting to do here. So the other thing to mention, if you come to Montana Ale Works, make sure that Alicia is the one who is taking care of you. She took care of me very well. Much better now after eating at Montana Ale Works. And man, I tell you, few restaurants have smelled as nice from the outside. Figured to take a nice little walk through downtown Bozeman and check out this little town here. Well, big town for Montana, little town for New Yorkers like me, but it's a big town here in Montana. And honestly, it's got a really nice, it's got a nice, pretty chill vibe. Right here is a little mural right here next to the fly shop. So you can see, I mean, it's definitely, you know, even though obviously this town, I mean, the town itself is not a new town, but it feels newer than a lot of towns its age. Definitely, you know, a bit of a brisk, cool, crisp atmosphere up here. The elevation is, I think, in the upper 4,000s, so not crazy high, not high enough for altitude sickness, but high enough that as soon as the sun goes down, the temperature drops. It ain't like the East Coast where the humidity just keeps it hot. This is a good time of the year to visit Montana, especially this part of Montana, if you don't mind it being a little cool still, which I certainly don't. It's a nice downtown area. I mean, it's chill, but it's not dead. And you know, this is a Monday. It's a Monday, so you know, I'd imagine on the weekend it probably would be even busier. So one thing that seems kind of hard to find in downtown Bozeman is ice cream. It doesn't seem to exist, at least not right here on Main Street, on the main strip here. One thing that absolutely cannot go without mention is that people here are very friendly. Everyone I have come across with and interacted with so far, not even since I've been here, but even on the way here, since on the flight here, everybody around me was from here, or from Montana, not just Bozeman, but from Montana, and very friendly, and not in like an overly pretentious way or an overcompensating kind of way, just in general, just kind of a laid-back friendliness. Like, not an, okay, we're gonna go out of our way to be friendly with you to prove something. We're just nice, friendly people, and you know, strike up a conversation with you. That's how it is. I like that.